My loyal viewers, supporters, and the one them where I watch and now say nothing. No worries, still a soon. Alright, love on the same way. Yeah, so I'm up. The kitchen I get started. Yeah man. And we have some nice things that go on in there today. And for all of the people them where
love them belly.
Yeah man. The show I go start. Alright. Welcome to another exciting episode in Dean's Kitchen. Today, I will be preparing for you an all-time favorite, Ackee and Saltfish. The intro says a lot, and I will be getting right into it, so let's go. So, I'll be adding on my counter here, I have all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my ackee and saltfish wonderful. So I'll introduce them as I add them to the pot. So in the background my oil is heating. First I'll be adding my onion and my thyme, and I've used a small amount of white onion and a small amount of purple onion. So I'm going to saute this for a few minutes. I'm just going to add a small amount of salt to flavor these onions and thyme, and a small amount of black pepper as well, just to infuse the flavors into them. One small sweet pepper or bell pepper, as you might know, and it's finely sliced. A few seeds of pimento berries. I'm going in with one stalk of spring onion or escallion, as you might know it, and maybe about half a cup Scotch bonnet pepper. Flavor this the way you want it with the pepper. It doesn't necessarily have to use the amount that I'm using, it's to your liking. I will not be going in with any tomatoes. It's optional if you want to use it, but I will not be using any in my dish today. Adding my saltfish, and this is about half pound saltfish, and it was left to soak overnight. You can scald it if you choose to, but I left my saltfish to soak overnight and get rid of most of the salt. Added just about 1 quart full of oil. At this point I'm allowing the saltfish to get a light little cook. I'll be going in with my ackees at this point, and point to take note of, these ackees were picked from my backyard garden, and as you can see in the intro, they were cooked on medium heated flame for just about 10 minutes. You have the option to visit your local store, supermarket. You can buy the one that has been canned by the manufacturer. These are as delicate as can be, so you have to take your time and just infuse all the rest of the other seasonings into your ackee. So gently, just mix it around. Be as gentle as can be. I'm just gonna add a pinch of black pepper to flavor my ackees. No more than a pinch. We'll continue to mix it around. On medium heated flame. At this point, I've completed infusing all the seasonings, and I'm letting it sit here, simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll be turning off my stove. So stay tuned for the highlights. Thanks again for tuning into Dean's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man! Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.